Ciao everybody, today we have laptop with a broken LCD. We're gonna have to replace it. It's an HP laptop 15-FD series. So let's see how it goes to replace the LCD. So we wanna do it the easy way without taking the whole laptop apart, just the upper half. So first we have to take off the front bezel. Now there are adhesives sticking out on the top. You have to catch it and then pull it out. You have one side off, now pull out the other side. So now the screen is out. So disconnect the video cable. Now we have to flip this metal clip. And you can pull out the video cable. Here we have our replacement screen. Let's see if it matches. Yeah, it matches exactly. So let's connect the video cable first. Make sure the clip is up. Alright, once we have it connected, let's start it for a brief moment to see if the new screen is working. It looks like it does work everywhere. Alright. So now we're gonna mount the screen in the back cover using the adhesive strips that came with the screen. Now install adhesive. Make sure that this darker square sticks out, so the next time you have to replace it, you can catch that part and pull out the adhesive. Now let's take off this protective film and install the bottom strap. So the bottom ones are a bit too long. Let's shorten them. So the next time you have to take out the LCD, you have to pull out these strips. All right, so now let's take off this protective cover and install the front bezel. Let's turn it on again, make sure that it works. All right, the screen works. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.